All right, so you're welcome back to Damico Studio, and today it's going to be a very quick one, right? So for a very long time, I actually battled with getting, like, let me show you. This is very practical, and trust me, you'll be happy you saw this. I really battled with, oh, let's say yes you, and I had an emoji like that points to the person. Let's find an emoji, like an emoji like this. If you notice, Alight Motion never ever displays the emoji. I wonder why, but that's how it has always been. If you like change the font, it's not a matter of the font. But then I discovered a pretty good hack, right? And the best way to do it is ensure that the emoji is on a separate layer on its own. So if you want to do something like yes you, ensure you duplicate this, right? Change this to whatever color it is that you want. I'm going to be going with this color, right? And this, I'll make sure that it's only the emoji that's on that layer. So only the emoji is on that layer, and I will first position, sorry, I'm going to position this there, position this, make sure it's aligned so it can fit perfectly. Then I'm going to remove the emoji from this one and adjust it just so it fits perfectly. Right, so now to make sure that the emoji is showing, so once you select the emoji layer, right, and then you head over to color and fill. Now in the color tab, right, changing the color is not going to affect, right, it's not going to make it show. What is going to make it show is the opacity of that color. So you are going to try and remove the color. So select the opacity, right, select this color wheel, and reduce the opacity to 0. And just like that, you got yourself a visible emoji that you can use in Alight Motion, and you can export this, right? Yes, you. Thank you very much.